Hello and welcome everybody, Marcus Small here from thesmallman.com. Well, how to colour buttons. So basically, I've got this procedure that I wrote years ago that actually multicolours the buttons. Well, how does that happen? Well, it happens inside the products page. There's a randomised procedure that runs through here. And I had a question from Hugo saying, how do I incorporate this in my own project? Well, glad you asked, Hugo. So this is how you actually do it. If I was to press, say, Shift F11, I get a new sheet. Now I just put the new sheet in there just for a holding place because I can't move all the active sheets, and I just highlight both these sheets and I'll right click and I'll say move or copy. Yeah, right click, move or copy. I want to move it to a new book. Okay, click OK. Now everything's come across to this new book except the procedure. Yeah, so we go into VBA, so we'll press Alt F11. And then we should have a module called module color. So basically we want to copy that guy in its entirety, copy, yeah. And then we want to go into the new workbook. So just click in the new workbook. We want to insert a module. We want to insert a module and paste. All right, good stuff. So there is a procedure called change color, yeah, in the current workbook, yeah. So if we just go back into the worksheet, and we say right click this button and we go sign macro, and Excel's crashed. Oh no, it's back. Sign macro, and then we go change color, and that is that. Now we test it in this new workbook environment. Bang, color changes. It's that simple. It's 2 steps. Move both the sheets. The product sheet's important. Then move the code, then attach it to this button. Well, that was 3 steps. But it's that simple. And then you can actually then sort these out to be whatever you want. Just adds a bit of novelty to your reporting. All right, everyone. Hope that's helped. Have a fantastic day.